how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a tornado. Let's start off by drawing a long horizontal line for the ground. Then, draw a big cloud shape on the ground of the dust that's being kicked up. Have it go up and down so it looks really rough and intense. Next, stop the tornado with a really wide C shape pointing downward way up here. Followed by a smaller C shape inside that's pointing up. Then, draw a line coming down from here that swoops in towards the middle. Do that a few more times, making the line longer and shorter for some variety. Followed by some from the other side as well. You should try to make the curves point towards the other ones on the other side like so. Keep doing this all the way to the dust cloud below, getting smaller and smaller. I like to draw 3 lines at a time, so I can make sure everything is shaping up how I want it to. I'm also going to have the shape of the tornado bend to the left and right slightly as it goes down. Now that we have the shape down, we can add some details. Add some really thin lines across the tornado between the lines to add some texture. Then, add some more lines swirling around the tornado to make the winds look stronger. Next, add some depth to the dust cloud with some cloud-shaped lines inside of it like so. Lastly, let's add some debris in the air that's being blown around by the tornado. Just some dots scattered around the tornado like so. Some smaller and some bigger for some variety. And now you've got a tornado. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.